The Monetary Authority of Singapore and the Association of Banks in Singapore are introducing a set of additional measures to bolster the security of digital banking. All this is in view of the recent spate of SMS phishing scams targeting bank customers. These measures will be in place within the next 2 weeks. These include the removal of clickable links in emails or messages sent to customers. The threshold for funds transfer notifications will be set by default at $100 or lower. There will also be a delay of at least 12 hours before the activation of a new soft token on a mobile device. Notification will be sent to a mobile number or email registered with a bank when there is a request to change customers' details. There are additional safeguards such as a cooling off period before the implementation for requests to key changes to an account. There will also be dedicated customer assistance teams and more frequent alerts to warn people of scams. MAS Managing Director Ravi Menon says the MAS, together with relevant government agencies, is working closely with the financial industry, the telco industry, consumer groups and other stakeholders to strengthen resilience against scam attacks. This is to ensure that digital banking remains secure, efficient and trusted.
Scammers are targeting more banks in Singapore, which are now taking steps to warn their customers. It comes after a major phishing scam cheated nearly 470 OCBC customers of around $8.5 million in December. OCBC says that it will make full goodwill payments to all victims by next week. Meanwhile, other banks are now rushing to take preemptive action. UOB posted this scam alert message to warn customers of possible scams. DBS adds that it looks for such phishing sites and takes them down. Meanwhile, fake bank hotline numbers are appearing on Google search ads. Victims are asked to transfer money to a bank account to resolve card issues or outstanding loans. Nearly $500,000 has been lost since last month. Google says that it's working with the police. Last year, it launched an identity verification system for advertisers, but one analyst says that it's not foolproof.
In these cases, right, some of these messages are just in plain text. So there's no malicious indicators. It's very difficult for the software or tech to block because it's really a legitimate message. But just that the content is social engineering content.
CNA understands that banks have no obligation to pay any victims of these phishing scams unless it can be shown that there was negligence involved. This includes whether or not the bank has put in place safeguards according to an industry standard. Now, it means that suing a bank for damages won't be easy. Any payout of goodwill is also likely to come with a confidential agreement that absolves the bank of any responsibility.